it's Jose. How are you guys? I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. You know, we miss you guys, and we can't wait to go back and see you guys, and you know, just be with you guys. We really do miss you. So we are gonna be making a sandwich today. So I'm just be making a simple sandwich. You know, I'm be using bread, lunch meats, cheese, you know, the basics that go in there. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make that. So we're gonna start off with, you know, making the bread. So you can use any type of bread, obviously. There's sub bread and all that, right? So let's close this up, and we're gonna start using our condiments. So we're gonna put, I have a plate here, it's paper plate. You know, don't wanna wash dishes. So I'm gonna start off with mayo. So I have my butter knife here. You'd have a butter knife. You can't use a butter knife, make sure you use a spoon. So I'm gonna get a butter knife. I'm gonna start spreading. Okay. Now with the sandwich, you can toast it. You know, you could put it in the oven for a little bit to melt the cheese, however you want it. It's up to you. So there we go. We have the mayonnaise. You know. You can put mayonnaise on it, and then you know, followed by the mustard. I don't happen to like mustard, so I'm not gonna use it on my sandwich. But it's everybody's preference. So, you know, how you guys been? You know, you guys can comment below and tell me how you guys been. How has quarantine treating you guys? I know it sucks, but you know, safety first. All right, so now that I'm done with the mayo, seal it up. Put it on the side. So then we're gonna go with the lunch meat. You know, there's obviously many types of lunch meat. This happens to be smoked turkey breast. I like it. I like ham. I like Black Forest ham. You know, it's really up to you. Actually, before we get this, let's get started on our you know, condiments that we just put together. So you can use any type of lettuce. I'm using regular Iceberg lettuce. It's up to you if you want to put it in just like that, or do you want to chiffonade it. Chiffonade is really just a little form of cutting it. So guys, you guys are not allowed to use knife. Please have grown up, have, you know, your parents, just have someone there helping you out. I don't want you doing it by yourself. Safety first. So, you know, we're just gonna cut it. You know how Subway does it. I know Deli Delicious app does it. We're just gonna cut it like that. Regular. It's gonna give you this type of, you know, cut. Oh snap! It's going all over. Very small. So then you could do it that way. You know, just put it on your sandwich, or you could just put it in the regular way, which is the way that I told you. You know, just get it in, fold it nicely, and then put it in your sandwich. Next is tomato. Wash your lettuce. Please wash your lettuce. Wash your tomato. Wash any vegetable you're gonna use, okay? So everything's already pre-washed. Tomato, simple. I happen to cut. See that? Cut it. And then watch your fingers, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. I happen to love tomatoes, so I put 4 in mine. Sometimes I overdo it. Save this for later. You can use it for another dish. Okay? So here's my tomato. Okay. Onion. Again, careful. If you don't like onion, I understand. It makes you cry. So what we're gonna cut this onion is we're gonna, you know, cut it in half first. Please don't do what I just did. Cut it in half. Then you guys see the little, let me take this sticker off. You guys see this little fuzzy part right here? Leave that on, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this part on. You see this little part right here? We're gonna cut it off. And we're gonna peel it. We're gonna put this in the trash. And we're gonna peel it. Okay? peel does not taste good. It's very weird. You don't eat that part. Okay. So, you know, you're just gonna cut it after that. I personally do not use the first part, throw it to the trash. People say it's wasting. I say there's no need for that. It's just the butt. And then I'm gonna cut once, cut twice, depending how much onion you want. You know, this is the way I like my onion. I like it in little strands. People happen to cut it in circles. You know, circle onion. I like it like this. I feel that if I take a bite from my sandwich and I pull the ring out, it's gonna, you know, take the entire thing in. So I put it in there, put this on the side, done with the onion, okay? So then, I like pickles in my sandwich. You know, these are already sliced pickles. You can buy the wedge pickle, up to you. And to top it off, I love avocado. Love it, love it, love it, okay? Avocado is my friend. I eat a lot of avocado. So this is already sliced. You know, you can put avocado on your sandwich. You can cut it off and then smash it. It's up to you, okay? So let's assemble my sandwich now. Okay, ready? All right. So I have mayo on it already, right? Now we're gonna put the lunch meat. Lunch meat. So, okay. Lunch meat goes on the sandwich. Okay? I happen to fold mine in. But I'm also the kind of guy that loves meat, right? I love my sandwich to be a good sandwich. I like to be full. So, add another meat. This is, again, up to you. Cheese. I'm using provolone cheese. I love provolone cheese. I love mozzarella. I love, you know, sharp cheddar. It's up to you. I happen to love provolone for my sandwich. So, one provolone cheese, okay? Now, the fun part, we're gonna start stacking it up, okay? So, we can put our tomato down, ready? 2 there, 2 there. So it looks like a little happy face. Not happy face, but it just looks like it has eyes. See that? Okay. Then we're gonna go with our onion, okay? Onion. 1, 2. 1, 2. Looks like that. You see that? Onion. Just there. You know, it's not that hard. Simple. Then we're gonna go with our pickles. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Okay. So 1 pickle. 2 pickle. Guys, do not use a knife. Use a fork. I happen to use the knife because it was way down there. But, you know, I happen to love pickles on my sandwich, so I'm putting a lot of pickles. You know, who just doesn't love pickles? It's just so good, so juicy, right? Okay. Now, fun part. I'm gonna use the same knife I used the mayo because it's all going the same way. It's all going in the sandwich. So I'm gonna cut up this avocado. I'm gonna scoop it, drop it. Scoop it. With the same knife. It's a butter knife, so it's not that sharp. But please, you still can cut yourself with it. So be careful. I cannot amplify that enough. Be careful. Okay. So there you go. Like I said, I love avocado. Just something so good about it. And then that's it. You can add just stuff to it. You know, I have people who add. Add potato chips to it. Like they'll add potato chips on top of the actual sandwich, like in the sandwich. Have people who just serve it on the side. It's up to you. So there's the sandwich. Press it down a little bit. Now you get your chips that you love. I happen to love hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos is my favorite chips. Don't judge. And then we just serve it on the side. You know, this happens to be the last of it. Fine. Don't matter to me. And now, you know, we have a perfect good sandwich with a side of chips. You know, you can serve it with chips, fries, homemade potato chips. You know, it's very simple. You can do this as a snack, lunch, you know, just because you want to eat it. Maybe for dinner. Who knows? You know, there's times that you just don't want to cook. And you're like, no, I don't want to cook. Give myself a sandwich. So yeah, you know, I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys, you know, are doing what you guys have to do, washing your hands, you know, wearing a face mask. Just like I say, I can't express enough. Stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. We miss you guys. We can't wait to see you guys again. Let me know, comment below what you guys would like me to cook for you guys. If you guys want to learn how to make something simple, I can definitely teach you guys how to make it.